Luke's taking too long in the shower, so I think I'm gonna give him some help. Nice cold pitcher of water.
I can see those from you. Like the street. Hey! Oh! Oh my gosh, I'm going to kill you! You stink!
Was that cold?
I saw something move, and then all of a sudden, I'm like, hey! It's long.
Hey, that wasn't cold, was it? I suggest maybe you hurry up and get out of the shower. I'd finish washing and get out of the shower because I'll be back in a couple of minutes.
Oh, I don't care. I'll take it.
You sure made some funny noises then. Next up, I'm gonna visit Levi. Well, Levi's taking too long in the shower too, so I am gonna give him some help. Filling up a nice cold pitcher of water. He's getting lucky. He's not getting the whole pitcher like Luke did. Ah, what the heck? We're partying. I was just wanting to see what you were doing. Are you done? You haven't even washed your hair yet. Hurry up. Close the curtain. All the way so water doesn't get out.
Dad, I'm not getting any hot water.
That's because you've been in here too long. Close the curtain and wash.
I didn't know what.
Hurry up and wash. Is it cold water?
Yeah?
Probably not as cold as
No!
that.
I'll get you! I'll get you, Red Rider!
You better hurry up or I'm going to come back with
you,
him.
Red Baron!
You better hurry. I'm going to come back with another one.
No, no, no!